CarPlay today because there's been one problem really bugging me. Whenever I take a phone call, the audio is dreadful. So today, we're going to fix that. Big talks.
So, Joe, what have we done up to now?
So I've taken the A-pillar trim out and the top dash trim out as well because I want to fit one of these little bad boys. It's a little speaker cable, well, not so little speaker cable, it's about 2 meters long. I'm going to route it from the CarPlay system behind the dash all the way up so it's nicely here so everyone can hear my pretty voice when I talk. I'm using a bit of thin rod just to thread through so I can hook the microphone cable up onto it and pull that through to where I want it. I've had to go underneath the dash cluster. I did want to go up into that top corner, but I've just come up against too many issues up there, so I've gone underneath into the bottom vent down here. Come have a look at what disaster I've had getting that vent out. So here's that metal rod, and I can just feed the wire onto there, pull the wire through once I've got it into position where I want it. But this is what's happened to the vent when I took it out. But we can fix it, we can rebuild it. Nothing's broken, it's just fallen apart. So that's going to be fun putting that back together. You trim your bottom. So I'm just removing these metal fixings. Didn't put them on the new fascia when I put it in, and it's just been sliding. It's just been pulling forward like that a little bit. So I'm just going to swap them over from the old one, put them onto the new one, and that'll be it, all locked in place properly. Well, I definitely had fun with this vent. It's not what I wanted, but we can fix this. We'll get it rebuilt. Job bloody done. Oh, we've got to test it first, I suppose.
Hello, mate.
Hello, you're right.
Oh, I can hear you loads better now. That's lovely. Last time you rang, you mentioned something about a hot dog eating contest, but you're really muffled.
Yeah, it's just finished. I came second place again.
Oh, fantastic! I'm well happy for you.
I don't really want to go into it too much because I'm gutted. But yeah, there's always next year, I suppose.
Who won? Just out of curiosity.
I think you know exactly who won.
I do. Anyway, that's enough of that. Anyway, you sound loads better, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.